There he is.
Hey, hey.
Cool enough for you?
Yeah. It's already warm.
Whew, y'all should have kept this weather up there in Wisconsin, Joe, instead of dragging this mess down here. Alright guys, it's Monday. There's Joe. Let's see what he's got. You guys, come on.
Hey guys, how y'all doing? It's good seeing you.
Been a while.
Too long, and I hate it. I do. I hate when I miss. I hate. It's just one of them things.
Yep.
So, before it happens, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year to everybody. In case we don't see each other,
I see it.
It's right around the corner. It's here.
Yep. Well, I gotta say something before we get started.
Okay.
Now. I've seen a bunch of cool tools in my life, but I ain't never seen a ram set gun like this one.
Oh, that's a very useful tool. We have it for.
So if you guys are needing to,
we have it for going downtown, uptown, crosstown.
Well, if y'all need to drive a few nails, Joe's got the hammer right there for you.
For tacks too.
Yep, that's
nails
it.
And tacks.
That's it.
So.
Throw your hammer away. Joe has got a wireless hammer right here. So, just in time for Christmas.
You do while you're sitting back too, and throwing the cold one, and you know.
Yep, there you go.
Thank you. Perfect. Okay, we have to hit the bucket of cash only because it's a bunch here.
Oh my goodness.
So we have Tyson Funderburg.
Okay.
And I'm sorry if I got your names wrong on a few of these, but we got one here.
Yep.
We have Richard Metza for one. We have Christian Torkelson for one. We have our service member.
Hey, Joe, poor old Mark can't even go to a strip bar now. Look, you got all the ones. You're going to have to cash him in.
Mr. Mark for five.
Boy, that guy's spending some money, son.
He's consistent. We like that. Mr. Clint Cole for one.
Yeah.
And most all these guys are new guys, so I want to thank you all.
Thank you.
We have Steve Sherman for one. We have Robbie Johnson for two.
Okay.
And we have Wes Zolak for three.
Cool.
No, four. Let's see if we can pull some more out of here. Thank you guys. A whole bunch of the Knipiks played a part of that.
Yep.
And I still kept giving away all my pocket pry bars because this was filled up with them. And I gave them away. No, I didn't say anything to anybody. They just opened up boxes, and there it was.
There it is.
It's Christmas time,
That's
so
right.
there was gifts. So, guys that hesitated,
oh yeah,
you know, snooze you lose type thing.
I know Joe's been busy. He been with his family up in Wisconsin. And I've been down here, but I've had hunting on my mind. I showed Joe a video.
Man.
And you guys, I ain't gonna show it on here because somebody might know my spot. So I've been after one. Is it a good one, Joe?
Did what?
Is it a good one?
It was a good one.
He's a good one.
And it was just, you know, not the one he's after. But so in Wisconsin, one day snow 12 inches.
Yeah, y'all keep that up there.
I know. Okay. I had a lot of people say, leave that stuff up there.
I think you the reason why we got this cold front down here after Thanksgiving, because you drug it back down here.
Oh, no. It was down here before I came down here. I had nothing to do with it.
Well, it's your fault. You're the one that poked a hole in that northern hemisphere up there and let it leak through.
As we say, them damn Canadians.
Y'all just blame it. We blame it on y'all because y'all are the northern next door neighbors.
And we just keep.
Y'all just keep pushing it.
We just keep, you know.
Finally, there's some little son of a gun down there, probably in the Caribbean, getting bumped in the ass. Like, man, I don't know. It feels good here. So.
There's some guy in Alaska. He's making that snowball, throwing it down and watching it go downhill. We're just all pushing it uphill. Man. But. Yeah.
Tired of that. But I gotta say, it's helped with the ducks and the deer and the
I've been real really liking the Migo lights.
Yep.
But got this new K2 light, and same thing. It's got a keychain, opens a good bottles of beer because I've been getting to restock my German beers.
Can't beat that.
It's got the magnet, you can point where it is, rechargeable, see.
Yep.
It's bright. 1,000 looms. I mean, it's, trying not to hit clay, so
that's nice.
it dims down, you got daylight, you got red. So there's blood tracking. You got red SOS. It's a signal for help. We need to drag out the really big one.
Oh man, I wished I had that problem.
28 bucks. They're purple, they're green. I've been going through boxes of these.
Nice. I like how I like the colors, you know.
Yeah.
That's really nice right there to have color options.
I got another one
You got
that's
the purple
out.
out,
So
yeah. Shoot, yeah, man. Those are really cool.
yep.
1,000 lumens. That's nuts, man, to be that tiny. You
That
know?
tiny, and so
Somebody did a good job making that.
yeah, they've been outstanding. I got some redback.
Them redback socks.
Bamboo crew socks.
Yep.
I got red, white, and blue because I'm kind of that kind of guy.
Oh,
but
yeah.
you can get black with the spider. But Clay was informing me that, and I'm going to be getting some of the Vim ones, the camel.
The digital camo.
Digital
cool.
camel.
Yeah,
They're supposed, from what I understand,
they're cool.
they're going to be really cool. So.
But those kind of go with your Christmas
Oh, they're
hole puncher and
patriotic,
stuff.
yep.
Yeah, so perfect.
But
I mean, that's even better.
Digital camo will go to
Oh, yeah.
two.
Yeah, yeah.
But I have those two coming up next.
What you'll have to do when it gets summertime, because I know you like wearing your shorts, you could wear one day and one the next day and get everybody to vote on which one makes your legs look the prettiest.
They're
You liable to have a hole.
They're going to say the one that covers you up to here, you know.
Joe, you liable to have another bucket of cash laying there by the door if you put a tip bucket there. What
okay.
else we got up here? We
So-
got all kind of stuff up here.
We got some Vim here that's
Oh yeah.
very cool.
Brand new set right here, boys.
This
Brand
is the pry bar
new attachments.
Yep. Attachment set. What's really cool is when you got a big old pry bar, you can't get down at it. You use your extension. We got some great locking extensions.
Yep.
Made in USA, Vim plant. You take it and you can slide in underneath, across something, and you can
Work it out.
It can be fuel injectors, fuel injector rails.
Yep.
It can be front end alignments. It can be moving an alternator in place so you can get the bolts lined up. There's so many places. These three here work with their 1/2 inch,
Yep.
3/8, 1/4 inch.
That's right. So guys, you can use these even on a ratchet. Don't be scared of that, because a lot of times when you put leverage on something, it don't take a lot to move it the way you need to. So just think how nice that's going to be able to ratchet your ratchet in a tight spot as your prime.
Oh.
That's what makes them
Oh yeah,
beautiful.
that's why I tell people, you got your extension, and they go, how you do it? I go, you've got your ratchet on there, and you just, and then all of a sudden it clicks.
Yep.
These have been phenomenal. I've been dropping them off everywhere. I've been selling them, and I even have one shop, Kubota place. The guys that work on the 4-wheelers. Guy was pulls out axles. He says, I can't get anything in there. He says, but that looks like that work. You just pulled one apart. He says, I'll put it together. I says, you just gone through all that work. I left him a set. I says,
yeah.
I says, when I come back, if it works for you, you take it. If not, have it put up all this time. I just get it back all nice and pretty, and you know,
Can't beat it.
yeah. He says I can't beat that kind of a deal.
No, that's what a lot of people don't realize, the value of a tool truck, because I doubt very seriously you can go to any other tool store and say, hey man, I think that tool will fit when I need to. You care if I try it, and if it don't work out, you can come back and pick it up because I ain't got time to bring it back to you. Ain't many stores gonna do that.
Yeah,
You know.
I do.
Does it?
I did. I have faith in. I have such faith in this. I've seen this work.
Yep.
I've been in many spots. I wish I had this a long time ago, many times. So, very cool, incredible tools.
That's it.
Vim.
That's a great tool design right there.
They have great engineers, designers, building stuff.
Damn right they do, buddy.
I think I'm looking at one of them right here.
Yeah.
So turn that thing around, because
Oh, yeah,
Mr.
no
Clay, I
kidding.
know you're one of them. The
Thank
main
you,
driver's
sir.
here.
Man, I tell you, that whole team's good, dude, because like when we go on trips, we just talk about problems that we've seen with other tools and how it works, and there's always an answer at the end of the day. Somehow. It's amazing.
There's something.
Good team of
Okay.
guys.
Well, I got to show you something else, because I got it here today.
Good Lord. Oh, you got a new flat screen for Christmas to watch the football game.
I did.
on.
I did. And then in the meantime, I can use it for checking cars,
There you go.
light trucks. There's new Autel
Damn, that
Ultra
thing's big.
S2. It's bigger than the old Ultra. It's got more power, more memory.
More power.
It's faster.
That sounds like a dang TV commercial, Joe.
It does.
More power. More. It sounds like you're selling a hot rod.
I know two guys that sounds like that. Split screen.
Yeah.
It even has a name, and you tell them what to do. You could be checking on a vehicle, and you can have this set up,
Yeah.
and you can say, I'm just going to say, hey Monty, check for bad body module control, and it'll actually go through and
smart.
search while you're doing something else on the car. When a vehicle comes in, it does an AI, walk around. It'll mark all the spots, things, and nicks.
Oh, yeah.
That way the customer doesn't say, oh, you did this to my vehicle while it was here.
So, hell no, I took my 60-inch flat screen out there and walked around that bad boy.
It's like, no, we checked it in. It was here.
That's it.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't know
pretty
that.
Cool.
But anyways,
So,
And
everybody's going to ask, you might as well tell, what does this thing cost? It may be cheaper to buy one of these than a new TV if you need one.
get the TV.
There you go.
4-screen, oscilloscope built in this. I mean, most of the VCMIs were only like this big.
Right.
You can tell how much more is built into this thing.
Man, you got to have a big VCMI if you got a big
To
screen.
go with the yeah.
You know what I'm saying? You can't have big feet, not big hands. It would look weird.
And then
Joe, I am flabbergasted at the size of that thing. I'm just going to tell you, like,
I know.
Ray Charles could read that screen.
It is.
You know, the thing's huge.
How about all the
Oh,
accessories?
that's nice. That is nice.
I mean, it's got everything to go with it.
Yep. That's cool.
Now, it depends on how you pay me for that, for how I discount it.
Oh.
I mean, shops
It
that pay,
sounds like if it's green and crinkles, it does a better job. At
it
getting
gets really cheap fast.
There you go. So if you need to know how much your 96-inch screen
Scan tool is,
shoot Joe a text message.
give me a
He'll
call.
Hook you up.
Give me a call. Give me a
And I
text.
guarantee you, if you can't see it, the guy 2 bays over can read it. So he ain't even got to come over and help you diagnose the car.
You'll be saying, man, what is that?
Thing's big.
So,
That makes me feel inadequate, Joe, using my little code reader and my little snap-on scan tool that I've had forever.
well,
Whew.
time to upgrade, Clay.
Shoot. No, Joe. I don't need none of that
Look
big.
what we got here.
I ain't working on the
We can get you one.
I ain't working on the SpaceX rockets. We working on old stuff.
You can work on a space station and see it from up there. What's happening?
I think it's huge. You'd have to
Comes
have your
with
own
the
toolbox
with the
drawer.
dock.
Big. It's nice though.
So, again, Merry Christmas to you and your families. Happy New Year. I say Happy Hanukkah, but with the shooting, our prayers go out to all of them. We
Well,
gotta go
guys,
back. We gotta go back to.
Joe's number is right down here.
I got a number here.
731-412-7295. Shoot him a text message and he'll be able to get back with you. Like always, guys, hit that thumbs up. It really does help the algorithm. Check over for merchandise, cool tools, and discount codes down here. If you're not subscribed, take your finger and click that button.
It's free.
You guys have a great week. It's almost Christmas.
There we go.